So you do your own crowns. You make them right there in the office.
That's right. We have an in-house lab. I wanted to make sure that we don't just prep and hope that they come back correctly from an outside lab. So we can have the patient pick the color, the shape, everything right there and print it for them in the office. And we also do other digital dentistry, like printing our stents for implants to make sure everything is in the right place and doing accurate guided surgery. We can do our own in-office mouth guards, sports guards for those people playing in sports.
You actually print them, like digitally make them right there.
We make them in the computer digitally and then we print them in the office.
So teeth in the same, I mean, if somebody gets there early enough, they could have their crown that same day?
They would have it the same day.
Okay.
They don't have to come back for another visit, which is what most people complain about.
And because you do it all right there, can you bring the prices down eventually or on these crowns?
We save a lot of lab cost and we do try to transfer those savings to the patient.
Because people don't like going to the dentist. And we've talked about this on our other interview, that you got to send it to the lab, they've got to come back. So now you can just do it right there.
Exactly.
Or at the very worst, come the next day and get your teeth.
That's a lot less than waiting months and months for a crown to come back.